Here's how you can install Google Android Emulator in Windows 11. So let's get started. Alright, first search Google Emulator, and this is the result that you wanted to click here, and simply hit on Download Stable Edition and click on Save. Then open up the downloaded file and click on Yes, and it should download the emulator for you, and it's going to take some time. Now installation has been completed, so just close this, and here is the icon that has been created by itself. So you can double click to open this and simply hit on OK and click on Yes. It's installing hypervisor. So once you have installed the hypervisor and click on Yes, then you will need to also restart your computer to take effect, and you guys will see something like updates going on, something like that. So just make sure that you have completed that step as well. So after that, you should come back. So I'm going to restart my computer. So I need to pause my record right now. Alright guys, now we have done restarting the computer. Now once you guys double click once again on this Google Play developer stuff, and it should show you this screen. So now choose your Google account. I'm just going to choose this dummy account here. Alright, now wait for a moment so you can see it's on the screen right now, and the emulator is starting right now. And there you go guys, so this is it. So make sure to allow always from this computer and just hit on allow, and if you swipe from here you will see settings and everything just like that. Control B to back, just like this, and you can go to Play Store as well, and you can click on here like yes, I'm signing. So now you can search for like Subway Surfers or whatever app, Subway Surfer, and I don't see any kind of apps over here on the Subway Surfer. So let's try like Jetpack Joyride. So as you guys can see, you also need to complete this account setup. Now it's going to install the application. And simply hit and play. So as you guys can see that this is working pretty much fine, and it's like a tap game, and your keyboard is also working here. So I'm hitting the space button right now. I'm not using any mouse, you can see that. So this is it. And if you wanted to sideload the application in this Google Play emulator, you need to use some AOW tool. So to do that, I'm going to show you as well. So let's go back to home screen. You will need to go to Microsoft Store first. Open up. And from here, you will need to type your AOW tool. And this is a tool that you wanted to install. Basically, this is paid, but you can hit on this free trial. So you can see we have hit this free trial right now, and it's downloading. And simply open this tool. So now go ahead and click on this help option, and then here is a command that you will need to run this. So copy this command, then after you copy, open up CMD as run as administrator, click on yes, hit this command and hit on enter. It should show OK for you, and close this command prompt. Now go to device, and you can see we have a device here online, so you need to choose this one. Now go ahead and click on install. Now you can drag or add this APK. So let's add this APK from my downloaded Subway Surfer and open. So as you guys can see, it's installing Subway Surfer right now. You can go back here and you can see the Subway Surfer has been installed on your Google emulator. And this is how you can sideload if your app is been not shown on the Play Store, just like I have done. So now open up the Subway Surfer right now, and you can see it's working perfectly fine. So now let's see the keyboard test. It's now working on ASTW. So let's choose some arrow. Still not working. How about space? Not working. So the key mapping is not working because we have not set up anything here. There might be a way to set up, but I have no idea if we can set up this or not. So I will comment down below. So right now I'm using the mouse only because I'm not able to use keyboard whatsoever. We can see that not working at all. So but yeah, this is it guys. This is how you should install Google Play Emulator on your Windows 11, and I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.